Welcome students to the bridge course of class 7 subject English template 18. The learning outcome of this bridge course is the students will be able to read literature with pleasure, read silently with comprehension and read in order to obtain information. In the last template students we have read the story and I also explained you the story 2.2 The Lion, the Man and the Statue. And the learners should solve the activities given below on that text. I will help you students to do this activity. There are instructions for students. For this you will have to refer the English textbook of class 6th and page number 30, 2.2 The Lion, the Man and the Statue. So please open page number 30. My English book 6. I will provide it for you. Now can you look at the picture, the lion, the man and the statue. Okay. So you can see a man and a lion, and the man is showing the lion a statue, a man who is standing on a dead lion. Okay. Now we are going to read the text students. Point 2. The lion, the man and the statue. Long ago, men and animals could talk to each other. Once a man and a lion got talking. The lion was very proud of his strength. I am the king of beasts. I am stronger than any man. That is why men fear me. The man was also proud of his intelligence. Don't forget that men are more intelligent than you are. That is why they can hunt you or capture you. They both began to argue about who was greater. At last, the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. It showed the great hero Hercules standing proudly with the dead lion at his feet. See, this statue proves that men are greater, claimed the man. Not at all, the lion replied quickly. This only shows that the statue was made by a man. If lions made statues, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. From this story, we can see that the story depends on the storyteller. When someone else tells the same story, they tell it from their point of view. So students, I have read this story for you, and in the last template I have explained it to you and you know the meaning of the story. Now we are going to solve the following activity which is given below. We have read the lesson carefully. Now we have to solve the activity. First, read the story and say whether the following statements are true or false. इसका अर्थ है नीचे कुछ वाक्य दिए हैं, आपने बोलना है की ये सही है या गलत. काही वाक्य दिलेली आहेत खाली आणि तुम्ही ओळखायचे की हे बरोबर आहेत की नाही, चूक आहेत. So first sentence, long ago men and animals could look at each other. Could look at each other? No. Could talk to each other. So this is a wrong statement. It's false. Now the second. The lion was very proud of his strength. Really, the lion was proud of his strength. So this statement is true. They began to argue about who was taller. No, not taller, they was stronger. So this statement is false. The last question. If monkeys made statues, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. No, this statement is false because monkeys will not make statues. The lions will make statues. So this is a false statement. So first statement is false, second and third is true, fourth is false and fifth is also false. Second question. Find and label the following in the picture on page number 30. Again we'll go on page number 30 and we will label what is given here. The lion in the jungle, the lion in the statue, the trees, the man in the statue. Okay, so we will label these. So here we have labeled the lion in the jungle, the man in the statue and the lion in the statue. So this was the activity children. For that you have to observe the picture carefully and match the statements with the pictures. Okay. Now the next act. Now the third question is, list the things from the story that can never happen. For example, man and animals talk to each other. So ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि man and animals एक दूसरे के साथ बात करें. So this is one of the examples. Look here, students. Once a man and a lion got talking. This is one example, means it can't happen. दूसरा है, they both began to argue about who was greater. ये भी नहीं हो सकता, वो argument नहीं कर सकते. So these are two examples. Again I will show you some more examples. Okay, again, not at all. The lion replied quickly. So this also statement proves that the lion can't reply. So this statement also can't happen. So these are the statements. Now next activity. Question 5th. Find adjectives from the story and write them as shown below. For example, strong, stronger, strongest. So we have to write these adjectives in three form. For example, positive, comparative, superlative, in this way. So we have to find such adjectives in the story. So students, I have sorted some of the adjectives like proud, prouder, proudest, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, and great, greater, greatest. Write down in your notebook. And for practice, read the story and tell your friend in your mother tongue. अपनी मातृभाषा में अपने दोस्तों को, तुमच्या मातृभाषेत तुमच्या मित्राला मैत्रिणीला ही गोष्ट तुम्ही सांगू शकता. Evaluation में read the story carefully to find out the answers from the story. So first question, who speaks first in the story? So can you tell who speaks first in the story? Students, speaks first in the story. The second question, what was the lion proud of? So the lion was proud of his strength. Third, what was the man proud of? The man was proud of his intelligence. Fourth, what did the man show to the lion? The man showed a statue to the lion where the man was standing on the dead lion. Who speaks last in the story? The lion speaks last in the story. So this was your evaluation. Write down these answers in your notebook. I have written all the answers here. So students, please copy all these answers in your notebook along with the questions which are given in the activity, and try to read it and learn it. Okay. Now students, you can note down the important points while reading. This was the end of our activity. Thank you very much.